Hello. So in this video, I am going to be discussing about the Essentia Overachieving H2O, and this is alkaline water, ionized hydration with a 9.5 pH or higher, purified water, electrolytes for taste, and this is just some information and the nutrient facts on the back and the type of bottle this is. So first of all, I love this water. This water has like a fresh taste to it, and it always satisfies my thirst as far as when I'm like so just really need of water. And the bottle, does that have the bottle size on the back? I think I showed the bottle size. Oh, okay, so this is the size right here. So this is a pretty big, good size. So yeah, I definitely love water. This water tastes so fresh. There's really no aftertaste. On all the times I purchased this water bottle, I had no type of aftertaste whatsoever with Essentia. Another thing that I love about this is that it's a big size. You know, even though when I'm like very active, sometimes like when I'm drinking Essentia, I'm like right here within that one drink. But I mean, it's that good, you know. So just a little bit of information about it. So Ken Uptain, so yeah, he's the founder and the CEO of Essentia Water, and it's a privately owned and operated base just outside of Seattle in Ballfield, Washington. And Essentia was actually launched in 1998. So Ken Uptain, there's a story just pretty much based on like how he, you know, all about on the website, and he went through all the knowledge as far as, you know, like pH balances and technologies and stuff like that. So I've seen like people talking about Essentia. I haven't really seen any bad things about it. Like I just saw like a couple of people just talking about it and how like it doesn't really have like an aftertaste and stuff like that, and the water tastes really fresh. And my intuition was like, go ahead and get that water because it was it on sale? No, I was actually wanting to get a water bottle, well, just water period, and the brand that I normally drink from, it was sold out, and this was there. So I was like, okay, either I'm going to get this Essentia water for the first time, or I'm going to be dehydrated, not have anything to drink, sweat like crazy, and possibly maybe pass out because I'm so thirsty, but I have to be very active because of where I am. So anyway, I went and just go ahead and just trusted my intuition, and I've been working with this water ever since my first time purchasing it. And when was my first time? Was it last year or this year? It was last year. I think it was, yeah. I think I started getting this water last year, at the end of last year, or maybe the beginning of this year. I don't know. Anyway, I've been working with this water for a good minute now, so I really have no complaints about this water at all. And sometimes in stores they come in packs as well, and then it has the expiration date. But I mean, I've been drinking it, so I'm almost done anyway. So we don't have to worry about like, when does this water expire? Because I've seen some water bottles that don't have no expiration date. So I'm just like, okay, when is this water not good anymore? So I was like, okay, good. This has got expiration date on it. You know, I love the design and stuff like that. And I was just starting to really get into pH, you know, alkaline water, whatever, because to me, I can't speak for anybody else, but I know what my body likes, and my body likes this type of water. As I was drinking more and more, I started noticing like how my body like really reacted to that. Like once I got like that good quick sip of this, my body was like, okay, good, now go ahead and do some more stuff, you know. So I was like, all right, so since my body likes this water, I'm going to be drinking this for a while. I thought about branching into other ones, but I'm just like kind of really just stuck on this brand. Another brand that I use as far as the pH balance is concerned. This brand is actually higher than the other one that I was drinking, but that one is just, it's fresh as well. I just like that it's bigger. So the other one came in a bigger size too, but I don't know. I don't want to say it's because the pH is a little bit higher than the other one, but that's just part of the reasons why. And plus, I just got really hooked on this type of water ever since the other brand that I never used was sold out. So, and I think it was only like maybe 3 left of these, and it was a little bit more pricey than the other one, but I mean, it's totally worth it. It's not that bad as far as price wise, and like I said before, I know they come in packs too. So yeah, again, this is the Essentia Overachieving H2o.